Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will teach you how to turn on Find My iPhone. Guys, doing this is very important for the security of your iPhone. If your iPhone falls somewhere, it is easy to find. So let me show you how to turn on. First of all, open setting application, and guys, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now guys, tap on location services, and guys, you can see now turn on from here, and now tap on share my location, and guys, you can see share my location now turn on, and tap on find my iPhone, and now turn on from here. You can see appear on the screen. Turn on my iPhone is very important because if your iPhone falls somewhere, it is easy to find your iPhone. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.